Meaning of grouting.
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 Grouting. Grouting refers to the process of filling gaps or voids in constructions, such as between tiles or concrete blocks, with a fluid-like substance called grout. Grout is usually made of a mixture of cement, water, and sand. The purpose of grouting is to strengthen and stabilize structures by sealing off any gaps where water or other substances can seep in. It also adds an aesthetic touch to buildings by creating a seamless finish between tiles or bricks. Proper grouting is essential to ensure the durability and longevity of the construction work.